Not counting the dome slit closed, or the curtain in front of the tube, there are 15 possible combinations of blocking light to the focus when observing with Pro-EM, and more or less with other instruments. First, check the mirror cover. To protect its chain and sprocket drive mechanism, it can only be opened at zenith distance greater than 50 degrees. You can check the mirror cover visually from the dome camera application, from the console touchscreen status page, and from the status lights on the programmable telescope interface in the control room middle rack. Pro-EM is usually mounted on the old manual filter wheel, which allows the instrument to be set up for Johnson-Bessel filters or the Sloan filters on the FLI wheel. Either way, make sure the brass blocking knob is pulled out all the way. Back in the control room, there are two settings in light field that block the detector. The FLI filter wheel has a block position, and the Pro-EM camera has a shutter that can be set to always open or always closed. Observers taking darks should at least close the shutter and probably set the filter to block. Also, at the end of the night, the shutter should be closed. Observing support should set the filter to block before dismounting the instrument to prevent dust contamination. The next most likely problem is that the telescope is not on target, either because of pointing problems or tracking is not working. The most common pointing problem is entering RA and DEC incorrectly in the Track 82 work list. At high declination, greater than 70 degrees, the pointing accuracy may be diminished. Also, mechanical backlash of the declination gears may leave the position short by a dozen arc seconds in the direction of travel. If the telescope is not tracking, HA will not change in Track 82 or the legacy displays. Make sure tracking is on and then use Track 82 to go to a zenith star.